Hey everyone, how's it going? This is a Hiresphere Consulting review. If this is legit or scam, as you can see, we're on this website, and the thing about this website is that they're having a wide net, but it's all spam messages. As you can see, your resume matched the network, salary is this much, text back for details. Like this, as you can see, is like for a widest possible audience. Let's say you are the CEO of a company, right? And you want you want people to apply for your job. Will you go to people who are random, or will you go to people who are very specific? So there should have been something like, hey, we see you're interested in sales and you have a work experience of at least 3.5 years. But still, then companies don't reach out to you, have to reach out to them. And as you can see, the conversation will be moved onto like anonymous platforms. Like, come on, real things don't happen on WhatsApp phone number. And then there is a fake interview, and then the crypto training portal, which is again a complete scam. And then finally they will disappear. Like, once they've gotten your money, the WhatsApp numbers, Telegram contacts, all of these things, just boom, it's gone. I've fallen scam to some of these myself, so please don't go for it. And yeah, this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.